Here at Fat Man's Garage, we have this 1988 Jaguar XJS Convertible. The convertible conversion was actually done by a company called Hess and Eisenhart. There's less than 900 of these ever made, and some people think fewer than 150 remaining. This has been 350 Chevy swapped with a 700 R4 transmission. It has a custom exhaust with the Jaguar muffler still attached, so it sounds really good. This thing drives incredibly. Alright, I'm going to start it up for you guys too. If you're interested in checking this out, you can find us at fatmansgarage.com.